Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our ceremony will start shortly. Please be seated. Turn off or switch your mobile phone to silent mode. Thank you. Opening ceremony of the 325th AUN-QA quality assessment for the 4 bachelor programs of the Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh City. The Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh City was honored to receive the Certificate of Institutional Accreditation for the second cycle from the Center for Education Accreditation, Vietnam National University of Ho Chi Minh City in March 2023. In the past year, the university has had 12 programs recognized by AUN-QA. 8 programs met quality accreditation standards according to MOAT. 6 programs met accredited by ABET. In addition, IUH was certified as a 5-star applied university by UPM University Rankings in September 2022. IUH is also in a group of Vietnamese universities that are honored to be rated among Asia leading universities by QS ranking in 2021, 2022, and 2023. These are encouraging achievements in quality assurance activities and institutional ranking of IUH. For the following of the success of the previous AUN-QA quality assessment at program level for another training units have successfully registered and fully prepared for the assessment according to AUN-QA standards. Today, we're here to ceremony the opening of the 325th AUN-QA quality assessment at program level for the 4 following programs: Automation and Control Engineering Technology Program, Mechatronics Engineering Technology Program, Computer Science Program, Food Safety and Quality Assurance Program. This assessment result will have our faculties review what they have done recently, find out their strengths and weaknesses. Then that is the reason for this ceremony today. Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to introduce the delegates of the ceremony today. From the assessor team, the Bachelor of Engineering in Food Safety and Quality Assurance Program, we are honored to welcome Dr. Maria Ali Salau, the Chief Assessor, Ateneo de Manila University from the Philippines. Associate Professor Dr. Pongpun Prajaknet, National Institute of Development Administration from Thailand. The Bachelor of Engineering in Automation and Control Engineering Technology Program. Please join me in welcoming Associate Professor Dr. Eric Wibisono, University of Surabaya from Indonesia. Professor Dr. Corazon Abansi, University of the Philippines, Baguio, from the Philippines. The Bachelor of Engineering. Please welcome Professor Dr. Corazon Abansi. The Bachelor of Engineering in Mechatronics Engineering Technology Program. Please welcome Professor Dr. Monizam Araman, University Kebangsaan Malaysia from Malaysia. Dr. Joan Solomon, University of the Immaculate Conception from the Philippines. For the Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science Program, May I introduce Associate Professor Dr. Anand Muwatana, Assessor University from Thailand. Dr. Maria Hidayati Universitas Negeri Malang from Indonesia. From AUN-QA Secretariat, please welcome Ms. Saruta Srijosin, Program Officer. Ms. Janapar Janprasad Punpun, Assessment Officer. And from Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh City, we are honored to welcome the presence of Dr. Phan Hồng Hải, Rector of the Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh City. Professor Dr. Lê Văn Tán, Vice Rector. Associate Professor Dr. Huỳnh Trung Hiếu, Vice Rector of AUH, Dean of Information Technology Faculty. Dr. Nguyễn Xuân Hồng, Vice Rector of Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh City. Please join me in welcome representative from the IUH study programs. Associate Professor Dr. Nguyễn Đức Nam, Dean of Mechanical Engineering Faculty. Dr. Trần Thanh Ngọc, Dean of Electrical Engineering Technology Faculty. Dr. Nguyễn Bá Thanh, Director of Institute of Biotechnology and Food Technology. And in this ceremony, we are grateful for the presence of all the deans of faculties, head offices, director of centers, all of lecturers and staff of the 4 faculties, those have accessed the program this time. Once again, thank you for taking time for us today. Ladies and gentlemen, to better understand the Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh City, especially its recent changes, let's enjoy a short video on the big screen.
I have been working here for over 15 years, and this is my second home.
We come from different locations in Vietnam, and now reunion as IUS as a big family.
IUA vision and mission has led us to a better future.
I believe I can become a compassionate leader.
I feel that I'm open-minded and ready to learn.
I can develop my critical thinking skill working on community projects.
My creative ideas can be used to solve community problems.
IUH has modern facilities and infrastructure.
IUH has created a friendly environment for me to work.
And for me to study as well.
Being a part of IUH, I can be creative, continually seek new and better way of doing things.
IUH is my second home, where I can work effectively with all of my colleagues. IUH, I can feel proud of being a part of this community.
Thank you for everything.
Ladies and gentlemen, to initiate the ceremony today, please welcome on stage Professor Dr. Lê Văn Tán, Vice Rector of Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh City, for the welcome remarks.
Dear Her Excellency, Chef and Leader Assessor Dr. Maria Alisa Lau, Excellencies, Associate Professor Dr. Pompu Jane, Associate Professor Dr. Eric Wibusonom, Professor Dr. Korazo Abashi, Professor Dr. Mohammad Nizam Abu Rahman, Dr. Joan Solomon, Associate Professor Dr. Anand Muwantanam, Professor Dr. Maria Hiyadiati, Excellencies, Miss Sutari, Program Officer, Miss Pompu, Assessment Officer. Dear His Excellency Dr. Phang Hong Hai, Party Committee Secretary and Rector of Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh City, Excellencies, Member of the IUS Party Committee, Board Rectors, Leaders, and faculties and departments, staff members, parents and students who are watching the ceremony online, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, on behalf of the Board Rectors, I would like to extend heartfelt welcome to AUN-QA Assessor and Secretary from Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. Besides the new friends today, in particular, I would like to welcome Dr. Maria Elisa Lau on the third visit in IUS. Previously, we had the honor to welcoming you in our university in 2019, and then the second visit online AUN-QA quality assessment in 2020. In 325th assessment, I hope you have more enjoyable experience and good memories in our university. Also, I would like to send my best wishes to assessor, member of the party committee, board rector, leader faculties and departments, lecturers, support staff at IUS. I wish you on good health and happiness. The past year have seen important achievement in IUS quality assurance, and the elevator started in university. In fact, our school now offers a total 26 training programs that meet national and international accreditation standards, include 12 programs recognized for educational quality assurance by AUN-QA. 6 programs receive accreditation certificate according to ABET standard, and 8 programs meeting educational quality accreditation standard by MOET. Last week, we held the accreditation certificate ceremony in which we received the certificate of the second circle for the educational institution. This milestone represents one of the commitment to autonomy and social accountability. In the ceremony, Director General MOET Quality Control Department emphasized the importance of quality assurance and the support of international accreditation organizations in the development of the education quality assurance system in Vietnam. In particular, he stressed the role of the AUN-QA and the legality of the AUN-QA quality assessment in the country. The Industrial University has been one of Vietnamese universities that gave support to ASEAN University Network quality assurance in the early days. Since 2016, IUS has firmly believed in the system of AUN-QA because the AUN-QA approach the principle based on assessment that has helped the university to improve greatly the term internal quality assurance and operating training programs. So far, Under AUN-QA training and support, IUS now has 36 QA experts working for IUS, include 20 Tier 1, 8 Tier 2, and 5 Tier 3, and 3 OBEs. We are particularly honored that the university currently has one leader assessor and one assessor for AUN-QA as well. The party committee and board director at IUS are always committed to continued quality improvement, both at the program and institution level, in order better meet the requirement of the stakeholder and expectation of parents, students, and society. Our 4 programs for this 325th quality assessment are technology-oriented. They also come from IUS strategic faculties, tailored on the education quality accreditation. On behalf of the party committee, board directors, the staff members, and students at IUS, I would like to thank you, AUN-QA, for constantly accompanying with our university and supporting the university in quality improvement over the past year. Special gratitude goes to assessor today for taking your time to support the IUS in this assessment. May you have pleasant and good experience. Once again, I wish you health, happiness, and successful assessment. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Dr. Lê Văn Tán. Ladies and gentlemen, next, please welcome on stage Dr. Maria Alisa Lau, Chief Assessor, to give us a speech.
Dr. Phan Hong Hai, the Rector of Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh, Professor Lê Văn Tan, the Vice Rector of the Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh, Associate Professor Dr. Yun Trung Hieu, the Vice President of Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh, Dr. Nguyen Huan Hong, the Vice Rector of Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh, heads of departments, my fellow AUN-QA assessors and AUN Secretariat, distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the ASEAN University Network and AUN-QA, I am pleased to be here with all of you at the Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh for the 325th AUN-QA program assessment, which would be your 4th assessment. Your continued trust and support have been tremendous as a contribution to us at AUN-QA and ASEAN higher education in general. The assessment that will commence in the following days will be a constructive assessment to further bolster the university and the study programs. I would also like to take this opportunity to appreciate and thank our international team of AUN-QA assessors from Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and the Philippines for traveling a long distance and allotting time to attend this assessment. Your cooperation with the AUN-QA and your dedication to help push forward the delivery of quality development is also greatly appreciated. Distinguished participants, in the past few years, we have experienced the events of COVID-19, resulting in one of the greatest disruptions we have ever seen in higher education. The safety precautions due to health concerns brought upon by the pandemic have imposed many restrictions, which have resulted in on-site assessments coming to a temporary halt. Despite the challenges, we have marched through with our online assessments. Since the establishment of AUN-QA in 1988, we have continued to expand towards further horizons and are consistently improving ourselves to be the leading quality assurance body in the ASEAN region. The first implementation of AUN-QA program assessments began back in December 2007, and we have since then assessed a total of 1,030 study programs in 8 ASEAN countries. We have continued to monitor the current situation, and through intensive discussions, we have made the careful decision to begin returning to on-site program assessment. Therefore, it is great pleasure to announce that the 325th AUN-QA assessment will be conducted on-site and not through a screen. It is time for us to commence the 325th AUN-QA program assessment at the Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh. I would like to thank Dr. Phan Hong Hai, Director of the Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh City, the university's administrative team and the QA officers, as well as the academic and non-academic staff of the Industrial University of Ho Chi Minh City for your trust, support, and belief in the AUN-QA network. After such a long hiatus from being on site, I am greatly looking forward to all of the constructive assessments during the next 3 days. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Maria Alisala. Please remain on stage. Dr. Maria. Please remain on stage. It's time for exchange tokens. We would like to invite Dr. Phan Hong Hai, welcome to the stage, to receive a token from the AUN-QA representative. Present tokens of welcome from the AUH to the AUN-QA representative. Please remain on stage. We would like to invite all the secretariat, assessors come to the stage to receive some tokens from AUH. Please come to the stage. please remain on stage for the group photo section. We would like to invite IUH Board of Directors come to the stage to take a picture with assessor. We would like to invite the deans of 4 programs come to the stage to take a picture with assessors. And now we would like to invite the deans, head of offices, come to the stage to take a picture with assessors. Would like to invite all the deans, head of offices, come to the stage to take pictures with assessor. Ladies and gentlemen, the ceremony today has come to an end. We wish all the delegates health, happiness and success. We also wish for the 325th AUN-QA quality assessment a great success. Thank you.